Hello, and we have made it to Friday. We're going to be solving some problems, including multiplication, on Friday. A very short video because most of this is going to be down to you. And we're going to go straight into it. If I've got these digits, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5, and I can use any of them once over to try and create all the numbers I can, all the consecutive numbers going up from 1. So, I can use multiplication. Well, I guess I could do 1 pretty easily by just doing 1 and multiplying it by nothing else at all. Hey, for that matter, I think I can do 2, 3, 4, and 5 by just doing 2 times 1 and 3 times 1 and 4 times 1 and 5 times 1 would be 5. So I've got all of those, but what happens when I try and go past that? How would I try and get 6? So my 1, that was equal to 1 times nothing else. My 2, that was just 1 times 2. My 3, I did 1 times 3. For 4, I did 1 times 4. Now that's all pretty straightforward and easy, but I don't have a 6. I can't do 1 times 6. So is there another way that I can make it? Oh, I know, I could do 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is going to make 6. Okay, is there a way that I can make 7? Well, 3 times 4, oh no, that's 12, isn't it? If I multiply them, it's a 3 add 4 would be 7, but I can only use the multiplication. So, 2 times 1 is going to be 2. 2 times 3 is 6. That's my closest. 2 times 4, that's 8. Before I forget then, I'll do 8. 2 times 4, that's 8. Can't seem to find this 7 for some reason. Let's press onwards. Maybe there's a way I can do 9. Is there some way that I can do 9? Well, 3 times 3 would be great, only, I can't use the 3 twice. 3 times... 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 5 is 5, and put them to... Oh no, then I'll be adding them, and I've used the 1 twice as well. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times... 2 times 5 would be 10. I'm having trouble getting this 9 as well. But I've just got my 10. 2 times 5. Maybe there's a way I can get 11. Okay. Is there any way I can multiply these together to get 11? 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 4, I think I've just made 24. So, what we're going to do today is go up through all the numbers that you can. And I'm not going to put a limit on it. You can go as far as you want and see if there's some way that you can keep going until you've got all of it. I've spotted one. 3 multiplied by 5. 3 times 5. That gets me my 15, doesn't it? So, number 1. Use these digits, and using only multiplication, how many of the consecutive numbers can you make? Your challenge, people. When you've got to the end, you'll find that there's some gaps. Is there a pattern which explains why you have those gaps. There's your digits. Pause the video now. Happy hunting. Good luck, people.